everybody and welcome back to my channel. I promise you I will bring you into the journey of this room and also bring you a couple of more cleaning videos with me. So this is gonna be one of those. I'm gonna be cleaning this room in this video, and at the end of this video I'm gonna show you how it looks like at the end of cleaning all this mess. So if you like that kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and also give a big thumbs up to this video. So this is how the room looks like after I picked up all the disaster that it was everywhere in the floor and everything. I didn't vacuum and I didn't clean the desk or anything like that. So I'm probably gonna record the video that I need to record for today. So I'm gonna be recording that. I needed the space to be clear, not clean 100%. It needs to be vacuum and all that. But I needed the place to be clear for me to record and potentially to install the new shaders. So let's see if that happens. I don't know if I show you these beautiful plants right here. They're so, so cute. I'm so happy to have them here. So later today or tomorrow or when I have more updates, I'm going to continue cleaning this room. I'm going to be trying all that clothing. So if you're interested in watching that, let me know down there in the description. I'm going to try all that clothing. I already tried that clothing in videos, but I'm going to try it and see how they look like on me right now. And whatever doesn't fit me, I'm going to post it on my Poshmark. Then I'm going to start posting a bunch of things because I have clothing like crazy and half of it doesn't fit me. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was entertaining for you. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. I love to make high-end makeup beauty videos and a little bit of fashion. And now, clean with me and transform this makeup room into something that I love to be in. So if you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!